Navigating the skies is not an easy task. Actually, careful planning is required for getting from point A to point B. Okay, it's not so simple. Anyway, I am not going to discuss how to navigate the sky. Okay, we are talking about now airplanes, and the 2 points are there. One is cruising phase and another one is cruising speed. What is cruising phase? You know that after taking off, I am talking about airplanes, okay? After taking off, it reaches to an altitude, means airplanes reach to an altitude and maintains the same altitude for some time or for most of the journey, maintains the same altitude. That same altitude means that constant altitude or that steady altitude is called, means that phase of the flight is called cruising phase. That is a phase of the flight in which the aircraft maintains a constant altitude and a steady speed. That phase of the flight is called cruising phase. Okay, and in most of the cases what happens, the maximum time of the total flight, okay, if you consider total time of flight, then maximum of that time goes to, okay, for steady cruising phase, right? And next point is cruising speed. Yes, when the flight is at a constant altitude, maintaining a steady speed, that constant speed is called cruising speed of the aircraft. It is a consistent velocity. Cruising speed is nothing but a consistent velocity in the cruising phase, that condition. Okay, so that is called cruising speed, and this cruising speed varies for different aircrafts. Okay, normally the variation is from 480 to 560 knots, 480 to 560 knots, KNOT, knot. Okay, and in terms of kilometers per hour, it is almost 880 kilometers per hour to 1030 kilometers per hour. That is the cruising speed. So once again, I want to say the same thing, that is cruising phase and cruising speed. Okay, cruising phase is the phase where the altitude of the flight remains constant. It happens after the takeoff, and when the aircraft ascend to the designated altitude. Okay, and of course before landing. So that phase of the flight is called cruising phase, and during the cruising phase, the steady speed of the aircraft is called cruising speed. Okay, so this was a small topic to be discussed here in this video. Anyway, so this was all about today's lecture about cruising phase and cruising speed. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.